In a world where every second counts, operational efficiency isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. At Fujitsu, we're redefining what's possible with computer vision. Introducing Fujitsu Vision AI, your intelligent partner for safer, smarter, and more efficient operations. At the heart of our solution is behavior analysis powered by advanced video intelligence. Using Fujitsu award-winning human sensing technology, our system can detect, track, and interpret human movement across multiple cameras with world-leading accuracy. Fujitsu Vision AI comes equipped with a powerful yet intuitive rule editor designed for ease and speed. With over 100 pre-programmed behaviors already built in, you can quickly configure the system to detect exactly what matters to your operations. Whether it's detecting unsafe work processes, flagging unauthorized access, and identifying loitering, simply drag and drop the behaviors you want to monitor, no coding required. The rule editor empowers your team to adapt AI logic to your environment in minutes, not days. In manufacturing, Vision AI transforms safety and productivity. Monitor worker posture and machine interaction in real time to prevent accidents. Predictive maintenance algorithms detect anomalies before breakdowns occur, reducing downtime and boosting throughput. We are leveraging conversational AI combined with natural language processing alongside conventional computer vision techniques to perform automated product defect inspections with high-accuracy image recognition. This system examines products on the assembly line in real time, detecting defects such as cracks, misalignments, or missing parts before they reach your customers. In retail, Vision AI enhances customer experience and security. Analyze foot traffic to optimize store layouts. Detect suspicious behavior to prevent theft. And convert CCTV systems into powerful insight engines that drive smarter merchandising decisions. From factory floors to retail aisles, Fujitsu Vision AI is helping businesses see more, know more, and do more. Smarter operations start with smarter vision.